Heard the beep?
Yeah. Red light.
Okay, so now we're here. We're just going to do that and just look at that. And you want to just go like this? Yeah? And then just keep going? Okay? You good? Yeah? You want to go?
You better have insurance.
Okay?
Man, you want to
Makes you really nervous, doesn't it?
No, the other way, There you go.
Okay? You good?
Are you good?
I'm good. Okay, you want to switch hands? Okay, I'm going to switch hands. Okay, so then just smile at the camera.
One more, like this.
That's cool. All right, let's go back.